Have you ever given any thought to the relationship between your diet and oral health? This link is vitally important, but sometimes disregarded. As you can see, our oral health is a reflection of our general well-being. Diabetes and heart disease are two conditions that can result from poor dental hygiene in addition to cavities and gum disease. The problem with commercial toothpaste. Let's now discuss the toothpaste that you most likely use. Fluoride, triclosan, sodium lauryl sulfate, artificial sweeteners, and a host of other harsh compounds are common in commercial toothpastes. Gum discomfort, dry mouth, and even ulcers might result from these components. Natural remedies. But don't give up. Nature has a solution for us. Natural therapies, which have been utilized for millennia, can provide a softer yet more effective route to oral health by utilizing natural substances and harnessing the force of nature. Introducing toothpaste with turmeric. What if there was a safe, all-natural way to improve the health of your teeth? Let's talk about turmeric toothpaste. A popular culinary spice, turmeric is now becoming well-known in the dentistry field. These days, this strong, colorful spice is more than just a mainstay in your spice cabinet. It's become a necessary component of dental hygiene regimens all around the world. Turmeric toothpaste's power. Turmeric toothpaste's special qualities are what give it its strength. It fights cavities, gum disease, and foul breath with its potent antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric is also a natural teeth whitening agent. Yes, you heard correctly. Turmeric doesn't discolor your teeth, even if it has a vibrant hue. Rather, it aids in the removal of surface stains, resulting in a grin that is more brilliant and brighter. These statements are supported by several studies, which attest to the beneficial effects of this golden spice on dental health. Therefore, turmeric toothpaste can be the answer if you're searching for a safe, all-natural method to improve the health of your teeth. Turmeric toothpaste advantages. Turmeric toothpaste has many other advantages for dental health in addition to being a natural way to have a whiter smile. How to make turmeric toothpaste at home. Now, you might be wondering, where can I find this magical turmeric toothpaste? Well, the good news is, you can make it right at home. All you need are a few simple, natural ingredients. Organic turmeric powder. First, grab some organic turmeric powder. This golden spice is the star of the show, providing anti-inflammatory and antibacterial benefits. Coconut oil. Next, you'll need coconut oil. It's not just for cooking, folks. Coconut oil helps bind the paste together while also offering its own oral health benefits. Baking soda, optional for extra whitening power. You can add a dash of baking soda. The recipe. It's time to combine now. Mix 1 part coconut oil with 2 parts turmeric powder. Blend until the mixture resembles a paste. For further whitening power, feel free to add a dash of baking soda if desired. And it's as simple as pie, isn't it? How to apply it? Simply apply your own paste at least once a day and allow turmeric's inherent benefits to take over. You can make your own natural, potent turmeric toothpaste with a few simple ingredients and a few minutes. Conclusions. A brighter smile may be achieved naturally using turmeric toothpaste. Try it out and see the advantages for yourself.